Hey, what's up everybody? We're going to talk about a cardio jack. We're going to get you moving in a little different way than a normal jumping jack, using a light dumbbell. Something that you can move fast, be quick and snappy with, that's not going to slow you down, but it will just add to the intensity of this exercise. So, feet, we're going to start wide, feet about shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider. We're going to be dropping into a squat. So like think a sumo squat, maybe not super wide like that, but feet wide, head up, chest up, okay? The weight is hanging right around knee height, okay? And then, so this is the start position. From here, we're gonna go to the top. That's gonna happen as quick as we can. From the side, make sure when you go high, you're not arching the back and flaring the ribs, keeping everything down and solid. Okay, so at the top, you're super long, super tall, okay? From here, we're coming back down. Okay, those are the two positions, here and return. Tall and return. With that, quick and snappy, you're gonna rip this dumbbell as hard and high as you can. Stop on a dime. When you slam on your brakes, especially up here, your core is gonna light up, and then you're gonna rip it back down as if you wanna slam this dumbbell into the ground, but you don't. So, turning that over as quick and as strong and as fast as possible, your heart rate's gonna get up, jacked up, and core will get lit up and all that good stuff. So let me show you real time from front and side, and here's what we look like. So down, okay, from the side, feet wide, down, rip it high, down, okay, as quick, as tall, as fast as you can, and watch that heart rate get through the roof and your heart and lungs pumping. Get after it, have fun. We'll see you soon.